to this topic of this evening, but also we're going to talk about the Swedish political outlook of this recent conflict that's happening in Las Anod. That's been happening in Las Anod, it's not happening right now. In the aftermath of the Las Anod conflict in Sol Senagen Ain region, north of Somalia, the Sol Senagen Ain organization in Sweden has organized this evening in order to bring the light, the context, and the political ramification of this region, and the recent conflict, as well as the current political landscape in the area. Furthermore, we aim to delve into our broader implications of these events for Somalia and the Horn of Africa region. Applause. Our first topic tonight is the Swedish political outlook of Somalia by Hashim Mohamed Jamac, a Swedish politiker of the Left Party who sits as the Stockholm City Council, in Swedish called Kommunfullmakt for Stockholm.
Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, colleagues and friends, I'm greeting you, all of you, in the Islamic way by saying Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I've been eagerly waiting for this moment. I think we've all been waiting for this moment. We've been fighting in parliaments, streets, and social media for the best part of this year to secure the future of SSC under the blue flag. On the Friday, on the 25th of August, the victory of the SSC forces came a step closer to unification of the Somali nation. And for that, we can thank all the sacrifices that's been made by the boys, girls, women, and men with the help and guidance by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But we're not there yet. Even though the military mission seems to be over, we need to keep the political mission going and push forward towards our goals. As a member of the Swedish Left Party, we are standing by and supporting as a united Somali nation, regardless of the fruitless efforts by the separatist movements. Their attempt to collude with the far-right politicians and neo-Nazis here in Sweden are monitored with a watchful close eye. We need to keep on fighting in boardrooms and parliaments and on the streets, as we are entering the second phase of this struggle. As the Garad Jamac famously said, Gala Dagalka, and that does not only mean militarily. I'm gonna take you through a little walk of the work that's been done by us in the Left Party during this year. When this massacre of innocent people in Sol Senagen Ain started by the ruthless military leader Musa Bihi, we started to organize the pushback in Sweden. But together with the Sol Senagen Ain organization in Sweden, we organized several demonstrations. Through our party and the person that's in charge of our foreign policy in the party, Tobias Håkan Svenneling, we managed to make Tobias Billström, the foreign secretary, to answer our questions about what's the Swedish view on the Somali of the Las Anod conflict. And he managed to actually put out a letter where he's asking the European Union and other agencies of where we are standing in this question. And the defining question was that the Somali government will be helped by the Swedish politicians to secure our borders, to secure our nation, and to secure our future. With that being said, we will continue to work towards helping the Somali people and the Somali cause to finally see a Somali nation rising up again. With that said, I want to say, Gul SSC, Gul Somalia, Somalia Hanolato.